love you, Mandarin.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Just dropped my text. Oh, there you go.
Texts are not for imaginating.
Oh, what?
Not for imaginating.
They're not for imaginating.
No. Meet. No. Matching.
What does that mean?
Information is that nothing is real. Again.
Oh, like imagination.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Hi, Nanny. Hi, Alison. Hi, Daisy.
Hi.
We can't see you if you face that way. We've got a nice book today. It's a beautiful book.
And it's called.
Hello, Mav and Alaya.
We're doing love today.
We are doing love today. We're talking all about love. You can never run out of love.
I can read.
You're going to read it.
Yeah.
Well, we won't read it just yet. We'll wait. We'll
I
wait a
can
few
read
more minutes
I
and
can
see if
read
anyone
it.
else is going to join
I want
us.
to hold it and read it.
You're going to read it.
Yeah.
You do know most of the words to this book.
Yeah.
It is a good one. Okay. Well,
We're gonna read it
before
now.
we read it though, we might sing that song. Hello, Abby and Byron and Henry. Do you want to get up and go and dance?
I want to sit here and dance.
Oh, okay. We thought today, because we were talking about love, we would sing a song about love.
And I made one
Okay, we'll move this book out of your face.
Okay.
You sing. Lucy made up a song about love. You ready?
And it's my song.
Okay, go.
Come on, horsey, let's go and play. Let's all play in the toy room today. Let's all shout hooray!
Yay! That's a lovely song. And they all rhymed. Very good. Well, we thought we would sing a song called Skidamarink.
No, only one song today.
I think we'll sing Skidamarink.
I
Are you gonna sing along? You gonna dance?
No, I want to eat this mandarin.
Well, you can eat the mandarin when you're finished.
I love you.
You love the mandarin. Are you ready? Let's go. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Very good. Do you know how to do the sign for I love you in Auslan? It's like this. You have your thumb up, your index finger up, and your pinky finger up, and your middle finger and your ring finger stay down.
Don't say
Just like
that in
that.
the video.
So you could hold that up, and it means I love you.
And Mummy, don't do that in the video.
Why?
Because
I'm showing everybody how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, we might read our story.
Do one finger up.
One finger.
And count to 20.
That's a good idea. You can never run out of
Wait,
love.
I was going to read that.
Can I tell them who wrote the book? Or are you going to tell them?
You can
Helen Docharty. Can you say that?
Helen Docharty.
And Ali Pie.
Ali.
Very good.
This is a book about love.
You can never run out of love.
You can never run out of love. This
See that?
is those little cats and dogs.
Okay, they can't see it very well, so I might hold it up and
No.
you read the words. What does that say?
I might have it up.
I'll hold it because the camera can't see it. You read the words. What does that say?
That says flowers make bloom.
Good reading. You can never run out of love.
It says flowers make bloom love.
Flowers may boom. You can run out of biscuits
No, I was going to read that. All those words.
or run out of bread.
Hey.
Okay, read this one then.
You can never run out.
Very good.
You
You can run out of energy. Okay, it's my turn to read, please.
have to read.
Flopped on your bed. Hello, Bella and Sienna. You can run out of chocolates. None left in this box. When the washing piles up, you can run out of socks. You can run out of time. You can run out of money. You can run out of patience when things don't seem funny. You can never, no never, not ever, you can never run out of love. You can run out of milk, or you can run out of jelly. You can run out of nappies. Things can get smelly. Smelly.
Mommy, see this dog?
Yep.
I was scratching that last time.
Oh, okay. We'll have a look at it after. You can run out of glue. You can run out of soap. When you know it's too late, you can run out of hope. On a very bad day, you can run out of luck. Or run out of ideas and get really stuck. But you can never, no never, not ever,
Run out of love.
you can never run out of love. Love doesn't come in a bottle or a jar. It's right there inside you, right here, wherever you are. You don't have to charge it, no batteries inside. Your love can be big as the whole world is wide.
He forgot it.
It's okay.
He got it now.
Oh. You can't measure love in a bucket or a cup. You don't have to worry that you'll use it all up. 'Cause love's not a game where you have to keep score.
He won.
Yeah, but love, you don't have to keep score with love. Whenever you give some, you'll always have more. When you've run out of everything else, you'll still find
I love heart. That looks like my granny and granddad.
Let's look like Granny and Granddad.
And that granny and granddad too.
You can never run out of love.
That looks like me.
It does look a bit like you. Hello, Ella, Charlotte and Oliver. Did you like that story?
I like the cat.
You like the cat? We like that story. We read it quite a lot at our house.
It's the page.
No, I think we read all the pages. Can you hold this for
I
me?
think that.
Okay.
Mum, I think you got when things could get smelly.
We read that page with the nappy. I thought today that I would show you how to make your very own love heart chain.
Mommy, it's
And on the love heart chain, just a second.
It's a not.
Lucy and I, can I just, for 1 second?
necklace.
Oh, okay. You could make it a necklace. See? If it was a bit longer. You just don't want it too tight. On our love heart chain, Lucy and I have made up one kind thing that you could do on each love heart. I'm going to read them to you. Tell somebody that you love them. That's a nice thing to do. Give my family a hug. Oh, thanks. Help my family prepare a meal. Lucy did that yesterday. We had chicken with strawberry jam and what else was it? Potatoes and carrots and broccoli and barbecue sauce. It's very interesting.
And tomato sauce.
And tomato sauce. It was very interesting. Help feed my pets. That's another
Did
thing
you
you could
like
do.
my sauce?
Sienna and Bella, have you been helping feed Pickles? I hope so.
Pickles.
Yeah, Sienna and Bella have a little horse called Pickles. We talk about it sometimes when we're at preschool. Draw a picture for somebody I love. That's another kind thing that you could do. Or clean up after you make a mess. And that's a good one if you really want to help all your family to clean up after you make a mess. So, look, we can fold up all our hearts and then we can open them all up. I'm going to show you how to make one. Are you ready? You will need a piece.
I want to make it.
Okay, we'll just be patient and we can make one together. A piece of paper. We're just using a piece of scrap paper. But you can use whatever paper you want.
I cut out something very good.
Be sensible. And what we need to do, we have to cut right down the middle. Stop. That's not right, is it? You need your left-handed scissors and I don't have them. Can we practice this after? We're going to cut right down the middle of the page all the way long ways.
I'll do it.
Okay. Here, turn it over because there's a line on the other side. You can cut along the line. So you've got to cut all the way. That's it. Great cutting. All the way down the middle of the paper. You're doing really good. All the way. Oops, that's okay. Keep going. A little bit more. You can bring it a bit closer to you so you don't...
Yeah.
Well done. So you've got to cut your paper right down the middle, just like that. And then what you do, thank you, put that over there. Great cutting.
I cut it.
Okay, we'll just...
I want to have that here.
Yeah, okay. So we've got our long piece of paper. We're going to fold it in half like this.
I want to color it in.
Okay, you can color that in. So we're going to fold it in half just like that. Then we're going to fold it 1/3 of the way up, like that. And make sure you press your folds down really good. And now we're going to get this side and fold it over the top. And I will post a YouTube clip after this so that you can see it being done a bit easier.
And you can play on YouTube now.
And then we're going to open it up again. So now we have lots of folded parts on our piece of paper.
It's a rainbow.
Then what we're going to do, we're going to fold it so it folds back onto itself. So I think it's called concertina or something. So when you open it, it opens up like that. So forward, backwards, folding it all the way down, just like that. Then you end up with a piece of paper like this. Then you need to get your texter. Lucy, can I borrow the texter for a second? Just for 1 second, please. Thank you. And on here, you need to draw a love heart. But what you can do is when you draw it, I'll draw it for you and then you can see what I mean. So when you draw it, you need to leave some of the parts off on the sides where the folds are because that's what's going to help keep it all connected. So we can, now what we need to do is cut out our love heart that we drew. So we get our scissors and we cut out our love heart all the way down and up and down. And then we can pull out our edges. Ta-da! We have a love heart chain. And you could make lots of these and stick them together all the way along, or you could do something. Can I just borrow these for a sec? Or you could think of something else that you might want to do with it. And maybe you might want to write your own things about being kind on your love hearts. Here you go.
Thanks, Mom.
I'd like to see what you make. If you send me a photo of it later, that would be great. All right, well, I think we're finished for today. Lucy, do you have anything you want to say before we go?
Goodbye.
You want to show them your picture quick? That's a lovely picture. Lucy's drawn a beautiful picture. You need to... Very good. Oh, lovely. Okay, quickly hold it up. Show everybody. Oh, look at that lovely picture with a lovely love heart. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.